What's up, you guys? It's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than a normal video that I would usually do, because obviously being a beauty channel I would be doing beauty content, and today I am not doing beauty content. I'm not doing a dramatic video, being dramatic Mac, but I'm just doing like a discussion video because I want to get you guys' feedback basically on something, and I just kind of have a few opinions. Like, I rarely voice them, but I just do have like a few opinions on stuff. I felt like this was a need of mine to like make this video. So I want to get like you guys' feedback on the beauty community and how you are actually feeling about it, the videos that you're watching, the content that you've subscribed to, and how you kind of are feeling about the beauty community as a whole. Because I know me as a viewer, not as a creator, I'm just kind of feeling a little bit underwhelmed and a bit kind of annoyed at certain content that's like out and about there, and the fact that people put their everything into makeup tutorials. Like, I watched a video by Holly Boone. I really like her, she's actually quite cool, but I watched a video of hers recently and she did this most outstanding eye tutorial, and it was gorgeous, and she was just saying that it took so long to do, film, edit, whatever, and the views of it were so much less than other content. And she was just kind of voicing that she thought that her like video, like, she's not alone, because I feel like this as well, and she said that that's just, it's kind of deterring her from making those type of videos. And I'm just kind of like wondering like what's going on and why are people doing that, because I feel the exact same about my channel by times. I'm like, you know, why do I even bother doing these makeup tutorials? Like, my views are fine, like they're doing grand, but like they're definitely not what they used to be. And I just don't know, like maybe it's just because I'm boring, or maybe because my tutorials are not exciting enough for you guys, or maybe my personality is not just, you know, great. I don't know what it is. I also feel like I see a lot more like on trending and like a lot more on like my recommended videos, which is really weird because I watched 2 drama videos in the last month. I feel like I'm just been recommended so many drama videos lately, and I'm just kind of like, I really have no interest in this. Like, I really don't. Like, there's people coming out of the woodwork left, right and centre making videos about the whole Tati, James Charles, Jeffree Star incident, which, to be fair, is none of my business. It was made all of our businesses because it was brought online. I don't know how I feel about that situation. I really don't, because in the beginning I was all like, oh my god, this is terrible. Like, I have no idea what James Charles is like in real life. I have no idea what Tati or Jeffree Star were like in real life. I have no idea. I don't watch James Charles at all. I watch Tati maybe once a week, and I watch Jeffree Star whenever he uploads. So I wouldn't say I know any of them well. Like, nobody knows them well. You don't know what they're like at home. But I feel like all that content that was brought out there recently, I don't even know if it like was worth, like, well, not even that it was it worth it, but what was the point? Like, do you guys feel like there was a major point in it? Do you guys feel like that those videos were necessary to come on to YouTube? I guess like drama is always going to be popular because it's drama, but like, why is a beauty industry getting so much drama? Like, what the hell's happening? Why is this a thing? I've been making YouTube videos for 6 years. I've been doing it full time for 2.5 years. In those like 6 years that I've been doing it, like, I obviously wasn't doing it full time, and I wasn't doing it regularly, and I wasn't uploading that often. It started off so nice, like so lovely, where you could just be reviewing a hair curler and people would be like, wow, yeah, that hair curler is really good, or that hair curler looks crap, or whatever it may be. Whereas now I feel like it's all like, you're not using that right, and this is not how it's done, and you know, X, Y, and Z. And I just feel like, what has happened? Is it the viewers that have changed? Is it the content creators that have changed? I'm just talking about specifically the beauty community, not any other kind of community, not like drama community, because I mean, like, they're just going to be dramatic anyway, and they've kind of like cropped up in the last like 4 years, 3 years. I'm not talking about like gaming communities or like the true crime communities or anything like that. I'm just like homing in on the beauty community. I just feel like it's gone like a little bit toxic or something. I don't know. I could be completely wrong in saying that and unjustified, and you could be like, well, you know, it's just the people that are coming out of the woodwork. I'm sick and tired of going onto Twitter and seeing so many people been like, oh, all the beauty YouTubers are just like crap, and I don't watch any of them, and they're all like dramatic, and they've all got so much drama surrounding them, and they're all like nasty people and stuff. That is probably like 0.1% of the community as a whole, because I watch so many amazing YouTubers, from Samantha March, Casey Holmes, Carly Bible, Shanix O. I love like so many, like the Samantha Ravendall. There's so many that I love, and they're completely drama free, and they don't have any drama. And I feel like the people that do have the drama in the community are kind of making the community seem very like bitchy. That's the word I'm going to go with, because I don't have a better word to use to describe it, because that's how I feel. I know when I go to like events and stuff like that, like I've just stopped going to them, like beauty events, I know that I just end up like standing on my own in a corner. I know Carly Bible has mentioned this as well, and it's probably like really weird like looking at this from an outside perspective, because you're probably like, oh, you're probably like mingling with them all and stuff. It's not like that at events at all. Like events are kind of like you stick with your little clique, and not everybody does this, but like not a lot of people would like branch out of their little clique and go up to you and say hello. They just wouldn't. And I remember like the last event that I went to, it was a makeup event, and I was just like, I am so done. Like I'm done with them, unless I get invited by my management to something, because I know that the girls that are going to that, I know them and I talk to them and I feel comfortable around them, because other than that I just feel like an absolute loner. So sad. Too bad. I have my own friends in my own life, and my, you know, real life friends are obviously the most amazing people ever, and I just love them to death. But in the industry that I work in, it is not the most pleasant from time to time, and I don't know why. It's not specifically tailored to just the US. It is an industry problem or a community problem. I have gone to so many events that I've had the best time ever, and particularly like over in England, any event that I've gone to in London, I've had the best time ever. You're just so included, you make your own little friends at it, and like some of them have been like lifelong friends. Like I talked to so many people from the Irish and the UK industry, because they're obviously the people I've mingled around with the most, and I've made friends with them. Not like best friends where you're having like DMCs on the phone every night, but you know what I mean. People that will include you, and they're just really, really nice. I think like maybe shyness comes from some of the industry like problems, or maybe like people have large egos or something, or sometimes people look at their numbers and they think that they're better than others because their numbers are, you know, up there. Never cared about my numbers. I've never cared about them. I still don't care about them. Like I said, I started this channel with zero subscribers, 0 followers, 0 views, 0. Everything was a bonus to me. Everything. And now getting like 500,000 views every month is a bonus to me. And getting like as many subscribers as I do every month is always a bonus to me, because it just means that the content I'm making, people enjoy it and they like to watch it. I do care about you guys so much. I know an awful lot of YouTubers say that to you guys and you're just like, yeah, sure. But I actually really genuinely do. I love interacting with you. I love talking to you on Instagram. If I can help any of you in any way, I will. I just feel like you guys are a very, very, very important part of my life. I wouldn't be where I am without you. So you are very important. Your opinions are important. I like talking to you, and I like getting your feedback and your kind of thoughts on certain topics like this. And I just want to hear like what you guys have to say in regards to it. Like you deserve voices also. You may not have like massive platforms. Some of you probably do have platforms, but I just feel like, you know, your opinion and things that you feel about a community that you watch on YouTube, you know, it's not the be all and end all and most important thing in the whole entire world. I know there's more important things going on, but it is part of life as well. Like it is part of my life. It's my job, and I just wanted to know how you all feel about it. And I try and stay away from like the drama of it all, but I just kind of have been sitting down and just been like a little bit fed up of kind of the stuff that's going on online. I just wanted to like start a discussion in my comment section. I just want to talk to you guys and just see what you guys are actually thinking, and like, do you think that these drama videos are warranted? Do you think that the beauty industry is like derailing itself and going awry? Do you feel like it's really changed? I know it has, in my opinion, changed. I don't think it's changed necessarily for the worst, but I do not think it has improved. I don't know, I feel deflated in this community. I love what I do. I love my job. I have a fantastic job. I have a lovely manager. There are friends that I have in this industry that I really, really, really get on well with, like I said. But then there's the other side to it, the kind of like darker side where, you know, you don't really know who your true friends are in it. You don't know if people are talking to you because of how many subscribers you have, or because they think you're nice, or they're ignoring you because of how many subscribers you have, or because they're just generally not a nice person or whatever. I don't know, but it's just kind of a weird vibe going on at the moment. What do you think when you're watching your favorite YouTubers? Have you kind of like drifted away from certain people and like gone on to other people? I know for me, I have kind of drifted towards people with less subscribers. I know that sounds really, really weird, but I just feel like they're a little bit more true to what YouTube beauty makeup and fashion videos used to be, and kind of like stuff that I just really enjoyed back in the day. Like everything changes, and like new generations come up and they're watching all this content, and maybe that's what they're looking for. A little bit of toxicity in regards to it, drama videos, and why does drama have to be a major element of the beauty community? Can it not just be fun like it used to be? People used to collab, and people used to like support one another and promote like each other's products and stuff like that. That used to always happen. And now I just feel like lately it's like, oh, I don't talk to her and I don't talk to him, and I'm burning this palette, and cancel culture. And it's just like, it's like, why? Like, what is wrong with everybody? I just feel like I'm just sitting here on the edge just watching, you know, when you're like sitting in a restaurant watching people go by, or when you're in a bar like watching like drama and things unfold, and you're just like sitting there, like sitting back going like, what the hell is actually happening? I just remember 2-3 years ago it wasn't like this at all. Like people were most excited about getting like a new eyeshadow palette. I remember like when the Jaclyn Hill palette came out, and we were all going crazy for it, and we all wanted to see what it looked like. Or like the Morphe 35O palette, and oh, when's it coming back in stock? And now it's like, what drama's going on with what big YouTuber, and like who are they dragging into it, and what's going on behind the scenes? And like I just am kind of fed up. I know Stephanie Lang, she is so lovely. I love Stephanie. I know she made a video kind of similar to this one, and I did watch it as well, and she made some really valid points in that video. I will link it down below, but her video, I watched it and I was like, yes, I agree with you. Yes. I just kind of felt that way about it. I know Samantha Ravindall has voiced her opinion on Twitter and stuff like that, and like those, I just feel like everybody's kind of a little bit like peed, and we're just kind of like, what is going on? And not everybody is like this. I just miss the old days. I miss the old content. I miss the old fun that used to be on YouTube, and now I just don't know what to make of the beauty community at all. So yeah, I would love to hear you guys' opinion on this topic. I don't know what sort of topic it is, but it's just kind of like the state of the beauty community, I guess. What videos are you missing on YouTube, and like what videos do you wish like would come back, or you know, things like that. Like I just want to hear like you guys' opinion. Do you feel like the beauty community is heading in like the right direction? Do you feel like everything is like going the way it should be? That I'm completely like off my trolley here even making a video like this, and like, you know, why am I even valid in speaking about this? But I just want to hear what you guys think about it and what you guys are feeling about it. But I don't know, for me myself, I just feel a bit deflated like watching things and seeing like beauty videos that I loved so much, and now, you know, the dramatic content just gets way more views. So yeah, I guess I just want to get you guys' opinions on it. Do you think that the drama surrounding the beauty community is important to have videos on it, and that we know all of the drama that's going on with individual beauty YouTubers? Or do you think that it is completely like none of our business basically, and should be kept offline and dealt with in a private manner? Also, if you have any underrated beauty YouTubers that you think that I would enjoy, please let me know, because I do have my select few. I'd say there's probably about 9 to 10 different YouTubers that I really enjoy, and they're quite drama free, and I think that's why I love them so much. Do you guys have issues with like YouTubers charging so much, and this like celebrity status, and then the cancel culture? And I use this cancel culture lightly because, like I said to you, in my opinion, there's always like 3 sides to every story. One person's side, the other person's side, and then the truth in the middle. And if there's drama, I kind of like steer away. I just kind of steer away. I just wanted to voice a couple of my opinions, and I just wanted to get you guys' opinions on a couple of topics. What things that you think should stay off the internet and just like be dealt with privately, or things that you think should be forthcoming. Like, start discussions, because my opinion is not the only one. I want to hear your opinions, and I want you to kind of like start little discussions in the comment section. Obviously this goes without saying, please be nice to one another, please, because this is supposed to be like a discussion video, not let's just attack everyone's opinion video. So anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous, and I will talk to all you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.